This is a mobile toilet manufactured by CBS Technologies Private Limited for our customer at high altitudes. It's made of puff insulated material with 2 cabins inside and a common hand wash area. These are the supports, insulated piping for the water discharge, double glazed windows, this is one urinal, one showering cabin and one toilet. These toilets are manufactured at CBS Technologies for various industries and locations. For remote locations where there are no specific toilets, so these are mobile toilets which can be taken from one place to another, like for Indian Army, for the municipal corporations, for any sites, worker sites, oil rigs, anywhere there are no specific fixed toilets, these mobile toilets could be used. They come in different capacities, starting from 2-seater mobile toilets to up to 16-seater mobile toilets with showering cabins, changing rooms, and ultra luxuries like air condition included options are also there.